Oh, we have here false person. But I'm not seeing na ito ay false person. Pero someone here looks like unaware ka na may nakakuha ng atensyon, nakakuha rito ng atensyon niya at walang iba kundi ikaw yun. This person could be hiding here something. And I do sense that there is already happening with the nagbabagang flame sa likod. So yung iba pwedeng kakonect nyo na ito, may pag-uusap na rito, na may palitan na rito ng back and forth messages, but not yet revealing his or her true intentions for you guys. Yung iba naman, pwedeng boyfriend or girlfriend nyo na, no? At maaaring ganito kayo nagsimula, no? Sa mga malagkit na tinginan. Actually, hindi ko nakukuhang negative ito, no? Kasi dito, ang nasa sense ko rito is that ito na ang simula, no, ng walang hanggan with that infinity sign number 8 right here. Yan. So, iba pwede makilala nyo siya sa trabaho. I'm also picking that up. And this person is wearing here mask and you do. Ang maganda rito, no, magiging maganda at natural ang proseso ng inyong pagkikilanlan. Parang NBI ba? So whatever the case may be, whatever and whoever this person is will bring into your life. I do sense that this is not something negative though. Yan. This person is actually hiding something, but I do not see that it's something negative. And that's what we're gonna find out. Ano ba yun? Okay? Na meron siya ritong hindi pa sinasabi, parang sekreto pa sa ngayon. Oh, we have here the family room. So whoever this individual is, this person feel balanced whenever he or she's with you. With the family room right here, this person actually is giving us the vibe na yung sekretong malapit na yun ay pwedeng may kinalaman sa pagpapamilya. So this person could be a family-oriented person here na mahal niya ang kanyang family at tumutulong siya sa pamilya niya. Could be a provider. Doesn't have to be na siya ay um, yung panganay or what, pero nagbibigay siya sa kanyang parents, okay? So, 10 sensing. Let's see, family-oriented. This person has this love for his or her own family. And this person is actually gonna do the same kapag nagkaroon na siya rito ng sariling pamilya. That's the message that I'm sending. See? Told ya. The secret has something to do with that beautiful energy of home and family. Yan. Mm-hmm. Mga ano So yeah, hi and hello new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan and thank you so much. Sana mag-stay here in our community at sa returning subscribers. Maraming salamat at nandito pa rin kayo, chumichikat nakikibalita no, sa ating daily reading. So thank you so much, collective. Let's see what do we have here for you, mga baby loves. Okay, let's get it on. Let's see messages right here. At kani-kaninong mga energies ito. Oh, wow! Main female at main male. Eh, di kayo ng main. Wow! So whatever the case may be, collective, you've got someone here who is a perfect match for you. You could have already met this person here. Nakakuha tayo ng ganyan, like kilala mo na siya, this person's already in your world, or this person is about to enter your world, and this person right here is your perfect match. And we have here number 2 and number 1. And when you add it up, what will you get? It's 3, and it's the number here of you are being reunited here with your perfect soul match right here. Nakikita ko rito na nagmamatchy-matchy ang inyong energy. So, posible rin, no, na kayo ngayon ay nagko-couple items, couple shirt, couple shoes, couple socks, couple lahat, couple mug, yan, no, you're doing that or gagawin nyo yan, no, kapag ka umentor na to sa life ninyo para sa ibang papasok pa lamang ito sa life ninyo. Taray! Main female at main male. Eh di kayo ng main characters sa buhay ng isa't isa. Yan, ang taray. Alam nyo, nakukuha ko rito, strongly energy, no? That for a lot of you, kasama na yung mga naging bitter sa love before. I'm getting that this is happening for you guys. Like literally, magugulat kayo, like this will shock you, this will make you feel surprised, no, na meron palang ganito, no, na yung dating bitter guard, dating ampalayan or bitter ninyong relationship in the past, no, ay magiging pala ritong sweet as candy. Yan, no? Kissing on the park. Yan. Ganon, no? So, yeah, whatever the case may be, and taray, we do have here the main characters of each, of each na inyong mga buhay. No? Taray, so alamin pa natin to, no? Courtship. So, yeah, ito na nga yun, no? Courtship, pero nakita mo yan, number 4 is really standing out right here, no? Courtship na posibleng mauwi sa seryosuhan ito, no? So, yung iba, no, literally, pwedeng connecting na kayo ngayon, pero not yet officially kayo. Pwede rin naman na kayo ay mag-boyfriend, girlfriend na, no? Pero, like, literally, possible, no, which is a high chance because number 4 is the number of family, home, and stability. Stable connection to mga babes, no? Yan. Stable connection right here. And also, I'm also picking up that this is here something na itong relationship na to ay punong-puno ng honesty. Umalakpak. Kasi 'di ba, ito yung gusto mo eh, no? Kasi galing ka dun sa relationship na puro lies, puro kasinungalingan, no? Pero dito punong-puno rito ng honesty. Like literally, no? Hindi ko nakikita na magsisinungaling ito sa'yo, no? For this person, okay, ang pagsisinungaling, no, ay isang sin or isang kasalanan na hindi niya gagawin sapagkat ayaw niya sa taong sinungaling. I love this energy. Love this energy. You've got right here the person na gusto mo talaga. At ang ganda. Kasi yun ang pinaka nakukuha natin dito. An honest person for you. Ang taray, no? Kasi ikaw, galit ka rin sa sinungaling, no? Galit ka rito sa manluloko, galit ka rito, no? Sa energy ng mandaraya at pandarambong. Nakikita ko rito bongga. Courtship, yung iba pwedeng, yun nga, no? Papasok pa lang to sa buhay ninyo na nakikita ko dito magkakaroon ng ligawan hanggang sa ito ay mauwi sa seryosohan. Antaray. Oh! Wow! Sabi ko sa inyo eh, oh. This person could be someone here na may background ng law. Others could be specific na lawyer or baka nag-aral siya, no? Like, one of his or her subjects, no, during nung nag-aaral siya is kasama yung law, no? So, whatever the case may be, doesn't have to be na ganun. Pero, in short, nakikita kong matalino siya rito and most likely nakikita ko rito, no, na ito ay marriage. Ito lamang ay sinecond opinion, no, like literally second confirmation rito, no, na ito ay indikasyon na ito ay koneksyon na magsisimula no sa ligawan hanggang sa seryosohan. So, ang taray, no, may pirmahan rito ng sanduguan contract. Yun ang tawag ko doon, no, sa marriage contract, no, kung saan wala nang alisan to, no, kung pwede lamang na dugo, no, at itak, no, ano, no, sige po, judge, ipipirma na namin tong dugo namin, no. Tapos yung kumuha na lang kayo doon ng pakpak ng ano, ibon, o kaya sa manok na lang pumirma kayong ganyan. So, ibig sabihin ang bongga, gusto niya ritong magpatali sa'yo. Yes, no? Gusto niyang mag-tie the knot with you guys, no? Sabi ko sa inyo sa itong connection, no, na, na magiging seryoso. Na magiging seryoso right here, no? And yeah, oh, we have here the expectation here in reverse. But I mentioned unexpected. So, whatever the case may be, hindi mo in-expect, no, na darating sa punto ng buhay mo, no, na darating dito sa punto na magiging seryoso ito. No? Sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, di ba? I'm getting the energies na mga naging bitter gourd. Naging ampalaya dyan or naging bitter sa mga love life nila before. Well, it's changing because I do sense right here that you will have this taste of sweet as chocolate or lollipop right here, kind of romantic relationship. Cream yun agad yan, no? This is something here unexpected. Like literally, no, hindi na sumagi sa isipan nyo yung ganitong klase ng pag-ibig ay dumating sa inyong life. And boom! Ayan na. Diba? A very honest person is coming your way. Yan, no? So, whatever the case may be, yan, miss yan, matalino siya, no, intelligent siya, no? Baka mamaya, pag nagdebate kami yan, awayin ako yan or whatever, no? This person here knows when to be silent. Okay? And as what I've mentioned, this person is intelligent. So, hindi siya yung nagsasalita ng hindi niya iniisip. This person has this touch of understanding and patience with you. Well, actually, I'm also getting that this person here is actually short-temper siya pagdating sa ibang tao. Kasi focus siya sa details, no? Pero pag sa'yo, like, pambihira kung nagigetching rito, no? Na mahaba ang pasensya niya pagdating lamang sa'yo. Yan. I don't know who this person is, but you've created some kind of unexplainable na para siya ritong nagayuma sa'yo. Nagayuma sa'yo, no, na humahaba yung pasensya niya pagdating sa'yo. Yan, ang bongga nito, guys, no? So, let's keep moving. We have here the distant horizons. Someone here could be in their um, mid-30s, but doesn't have to be. Binanggit ko yun kasi nakukuha ko dito standing out. Pero yun nga, age doesn't matter in tarot readings. Kaya naman, just take how this resonates. You do have here the coffin, which is an indication here of a new beginning when it comes to your love life. Yan, no? So, mag-end na rito kung single ka. Mag-end na rito, no, mga babes, no, yung pagiging mo mag-isa. Kasi marami ka nang gagawin rito na meron ka nang makakasama. Eh, main female. Main male. Yan, taray. Alam mo, may bibigay siya sa yung gift rito na kuha ko rito. Like, this is something here that is related to your connection. I'm sensing na meron siya ritong pinaghahandaan. Yes, I'm getting that energy now. Thinking about that present. Okay? And kung wala pa to sa buhay mo, this person is about to offer you some kind of a gift. And it's gold. Okay? And I'm seeing in the background, nakikita mo ba yan? No? May chimney. May chimenea sa likod. So, ibig sabihin yan ay simbolo ng kanya ritong pagmamahal at naglalagablab na feelings for you, no? And for some reason, I'm seeing this, kahit lampara ito, mukha siyang diamond sa paningin ko. So, whatever the case may be, I'm sensing that this person here will be the light, okay? Or ginaguide siya rito, no, na ibigay itong ganitong klase ng gift sa'yo. Okay? Out of love. And look at that. Okay? We have here the frame and it looks like it is a home in the background. So this person feels comfortable with you. No, yung parang whenever he or she is with you, like masaya siya. Hindi niya kailangan na magpanggap. He or she can be his or herself. Kapag kasama mo siya. Yan. So let's see more, okay? So yeah, we do have here the community. Okay, this person could be someone with a different background or baka magkaiba kayo ng religion or paniniwala but doesn't have to be. You have lots of difference right here pero love will bind you together. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Wow. So we have here the official person. You know what? I'm getting this, no? After making Chaya this one, okay, nakuha yung attention ko ng number 22 and that word official. So, that official could possibly be related. So, if you happen to connect with this person right here, it's like I'm getting this kind of word anunsyo. Yan, no? So, maaring kung connecting kayo, no, mukhang i-aanunsyo niya, no, rito sa mga tao sa paligid niya, no, kaibigan, pamilya, no, like being proud right here, no, this person, i-announce niya yung official na kayo na. Ganon. So, it's like that gift of love, gift of um, passion for you. It's like this person here will announce na parang, pinatawag ko kayong lahat upang masaksihan ang aking pag-iisang dibdib. Yan. Para sa iba yan ay marriage proposal. No? I-announce niya sa mga nakapaligid sa inyong dalawa, no? Ang inyong pag-iibigan at pagmamahalan. So, this person wants to tell everybody that he or she is exclusively dating you or exclusively for you, ganyan, no? And this person here, kung boyfriend or girlfriend mo na siya sa ngayon, this person will announce marriage here, yan, no? And this person wants to officially, okay, iparating sa lahat. It's like, you know, that kind of song, no? It popped out sa aking mind right here, yung aaminin ko sa lahat ng taong nandito, aaminin ko yan, aaminin niya na ikaw at ikaw lang talaga. So, antaray. At saka, this person here, I think may posisyon siya sa pinagtatrabahuhan niya. Sa kanyang tindig, no, maaring nagwo-work siya in a corporate world. This person could be with the official person has something to do with may say siya sa mga desisyon na i-implement sa company, or if this person here could be in a higher position, could be an owner or a boss for others, but I'm sensing, okay, could be a business owner, yeah, okay, could be an entrepreneur, but someone here has that say when it comes to finances. Okay? I'm saying that this is someone here na successful or may achievement talaga siya, no, sa kanyang career. So, good. Okay? Ang ganda, no? And whoever this individual is, yeah, I'm hearing another song right here. You were my strength when I was weak. You were my voice when I couldn't speak. You were my eyes when I couldn't see. You saw the best there was in me. Lifted me up when I couldn't reach. Yan. Buti hanggang dun lang. Yeah. So whoever this person is, it's like you give this person so much strength, so much confidence right here. Eh, eh, you were his or her eyes kapag hindi niya nakikita yung truth about everything. It's like you are a gift for this person here. It's like he or she is everything that he or she is like, I'm everything I am because you love me. Ah, because you were always there for me. Yon, di ba? So, wag na nating ituloy dun sa pinakatuktok kasi hindi ako si Celine Dion. Yan, mga babes, no? Tsaka hindi pa well furnished yung voice ko, no? Dahil nga kakatapos lang ng New Year. So, whatever the case may be, someone's here in love with you, and this person's taking this with a distant horizon to the next level. So, whatever the case may be, main female at main male, you are both main into each other's lives. Yeah, and we do have here despair someone. It's an outside energy though. That's what I'm sensing right off the bat. Despair someone here, okay? Ang pag-aanunsyo ng pagbabalita no, sa lahat ng mga tao na kakilala sa inyong dalawa, ng iyong future spouse or future na mamahalin. Ay, yung iba minamahal niya na ngayon at nagpapatuloy niya pagmamahalan. Nakikita ko dito na merong isang naglulungkot-lungkutan, hindi makamove forward, gusto ng pagbabago, 32. 3 plus 2 is 5. So, yan mga babes, no? So, whatever the case may be, kung sino man siya, no? Gusto ko siyang payuhan rito, eh, na. Kaya nga dito. 5 monkeys jumping on the bed. The one jumped and fell. How many monkeys remain? Anong connect miss yan? Assignment kasi yun ng pamangkin ko. Wala lang, baka alam niyo. Eto, gusto niya ng pagbabago, pero nananatili siya rito. I don't know what I'm getting this word, patapon ng kanyang life. Or yun yung sinasabi niya sa sarili niya, patapon yung life niya. Pero each of us has the power to change our own lives because tayo ang may control sa buhay natin. Ngayon siya, mga babes, no, this person here, I don't know, okay? This person here is someone na gusto nito na maging loyal or maging truth sa'yo. Yeah, I do see. Because you want someone who is honest. And this person, I think, did not fulfill that, no? And I do sense that this is someone here that is your ex because this person did broke your heart, you know. And this person is not welcome anymore. Yeah, look at that. Not hiring, you know. Not hiring. Nakita mo sa window. Hindi ka na available, of course, because you're now in connection with your main female. Our main male right here. See? So, close door na for this person here. Gusto niya ng pagbabago rito, pero yun nga, nawala ka na. So, yung nakikita ko right here. And with the bad health, don't worry. I'm not sensing na nagkakasakit siya ng malala because of that, no? Pero this person feels like na gusto niyang kumanta, no, ng And I'm so sick of love songs. No? Kasi malungkot na nga, tapos nakikinig pa ng love songs. This person here is actually someone who gave me this type of message na this person did um, took something away from you, took something precious, pero yun, nag-end up rin na nawalan siya ngayon. It's like an impact. It's like a bad karma happening right here sa kanyang life. Okay? So, this person feels so sick here, which means sad, lonely, okay? I'm not saying na, yeah, pwedeng nalilipasan ng gutom, okay? At masyadong nag-iisip, which is not healthy as well, di ba? Someone's getting stress, feeling anxiety over you, no? Lalo na pag na-receive niya itong balita na to, no, na ikakasal ka na, or ikaw ay may kakonik na ritong iba, or i-engage ka na, or ikaw to na nag entertain na rito, no? Which is malinaw na hindi siya yun. Yan. Parang gusto niya rin kantahin sa inyo yung, Sino nga ba siya sa buhay mo? Yan. Well, I do sense that this person here, actually, I don't like yung nasa isip niya. Kasi ang iniisip niya ngayon, no, parang, um, siya to na in order for him or her to live, kailangan niya ritong manggoyo ng iba. Okay? Pero at the end of the day, walang ibang nasasaktan dito kundi siya pa rin. Okay? You know what I mean? It's like, tutuloy ko na lang yung buhay ko, makikipag-relationship na lang ako sa iba. Kahit na alam kong hindi ako magiging masaya ng satisfied talaga ako. Yung talagang tunay na masaya. Yan, no? So, this person will live a lie. Yan. So, ito ang mga nakuha nating mensahe for you guys. So, thank you so much, Collective. Sarang Hayo, Love and Light. Ano yun?